This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 38 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, external shower, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, water heater, skylight, refrigerator, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is 10,864 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.